Fighting is one side of war. There's another side. That is, stopping the enemy from fighting. We have seen the three great arms of Britain's grand offensive against Germany. They are the aeroplanes, they are the tanks, and the ships. We have another weapon, one that weakens the Nazi power to strike back against us, the big blockade. General Headquarters of Britain's Fourth Arm, the Ministry of Economic Warfare, MEW. It has grown to become one of the largest departments of Britain at war. Its business now covers the entire world. It has one purpose, one single objective, to choke the life out of German trade and industry, to bring Hitler's war machine surely and steadily to a standstill. This is the task. How's it to be done? We must keep from Germany all the vital raw materials she needs if she's to live on and to fight on. We must freeze Germany's foreign trade. We must force Germany to make artificial substitutes, substitutes which use up her manpower and materials. We must dislocate and complicate German transport by breaking her land communications, just as she tries to cut our sea routes. We must smash the production power of Germany by bombing. This is the strategy of the big blockade. The striking forces are the ships of the Royal Navy and the bombers of the Royal Air Force. Now this squadron is one of scores to fly to Germany in raid upon raid. Squadron 1020, Hampton Bombers.
Chief of George, off 2003.
Right. 2003. Hampton Bombers, bound for Hanover. Objective, Ersatz Rubber Factory.
K for King, 210.
To Hanover. Objective, Oil Refinery.
B for Beer, 2015.
To Hanover. Objective, Railway Junction.
H for Harry, 2032.
To Hanover. Objective, Steel Foundry.
M for Monkey, 2040.
These are the machines, and here are the men who drive the British blockade home. George the pilot, and Tom the navigator. He also aims the bombs. Percy, the rear gunner. And David, the wireless operator. He's a gunner, too.
Petrol on!
Okay, petrol on.
What's the beer like in Hanover, Cock?
Contact port!
Okay, contact port.
Chief of Tommy, off 2053.
That's the lot, sir. Squadron airborne, 2053.